In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message to a seller on eBay. Whether you have a question about an item or need more details about a purchase, eBay makes it easy to communicate with sellers directly. So, let's get started on how you can do this smoothly and efficiently. First things first, head over to eBay's website at ebay.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Logging in is crucial because it allows you to connect with the sellers and track your interactions more effectively within your account. Now that you're logged in, let's find the item you're interested in. Use the search bar located at the top of the page. Type in the item you're looking for. It could be anything you wish to purchase or inquire about, so be specific to make the search results more relevant to what you need. After entering your keyword and hitting search, eBay will present you with a list of options. Take your time to browse through these results until you find the item you want more details on, or locate the seller you want to contact directly. Sometimes sellers have several listings, so ensuring you're looking at the correct one is essential. When you're on the product page, pay attention to the seller's profile name or ID, which is usually located near the top of the listing. Usually you can click on the name of the seller, which will take you to their profile page. Here you should see an option that says Contact Seller. This option is a direct link to starting a conversation with the seller, so go ahead and click on it. Once you click Contact Seller, you'll be directed to a page where you can craft your message. This is where you have the opportunity to type whatever questions or messages you have for the seller. Be clear and concise in your message. If you're inquiring about specifics, like dimensions, colors, or availability, mention these so the seller can provide a precise response. After you've composed your message, review it for clarity and any spelling or grammar errors. Clear communication can help in getting quicker and more accurate responses. Finally, after you're satisfied with your message, hit the Send button. eBay will then deliver this to the seller's inbox. Remember, responses might take some time depending on the seller's availability, so be patient. And that's it. You've successfully sent a message to a seller on eBay. This is a very effective way to get the information you need before making any purchases, so don't hesitate to use it to your advantage. Thank you for watching, and happy eBaying.